Nike is a world's leading supplier and manufacturer of sportswear. Nike expanded its market to China and started to have consumer presence on 1981. In China, Nike dominated the market share for about 20.1%. In 2019, a new type of coronavirus, SARS-CoV-2, appears that creates a worldwide pandemic phenomenon. Coronavirus epidemic disrupted daily life all over the world. The lockdown policy made some shops have to close. 75% of Nike retail stores are closed in China and the rest will have reduced hours. It can be translated as an abnormal business trips. Due to the store closings, the sales of Nike in China also decreased by 5% in March 2020. The company has lost access to maintaining relationships with customers. In response to this, Nike should find new ways to survive in the industry in the current situation. In fact, the consumption of non-essential products such as clothing and footwear has decreased. All apparel sales in Amazon have decreased by 41% on March 14, 2020. In contrast, the essential products such as foods and beverage tend to have strong demand. China's online grocery market is now expected to grow to 264 billion yuan by 62.9% in 2020. How Nike can handle this retail crisis situation? Well, Nike recognized the importance of digital technology. The brand with the swoosh logo focused to utilize its brand's digital presence and finally launched Nike app in 2019.
Shifting from being a wholesale-based company into being about building direct relationships with our consumer.
The digital transformation of any organization is a big challenge.
In Nike Digital, we are imagining the future of what the consumer needs.
Our products, our design, engineering, program, QA, we can all bounce things off each other very quickly, very real time.
By this technology investment, Nike used digital strategy to cope this outbreak. This digital world was in line with the consumer behavior in China after pandemic. In terms of shopping channels, most of the shops were closed due to COVID-19. Online shopping has started to become more popular. It can be strengthened by William Chuang's statement. The last 2 months of quarantine has reshaped consumers' purchase and transactional behavior to shift more towards online. Thus, Nike is one of the companies that adopted this digital strategy. To keep connected with customers, they built the campaign of Play Inside, Play for the World. Since 2018, the WHO set a target in the form of Healthy China 2030. In response to this, the awareness of healthy lifestyle was increased. Furthermore, due to COVID-19, the data showed 76% of people in China want to exercise more to improve health and mental well-being. According to their needs, several sports access outside has closed, which makes people unable to do yoga, gym, and fitness outside. Nike saw it as the customer's pain that should be relieved. Therefore, Nike built a campaign of Play Inside, Play for the World. This campaign has a purpose of customers to keep sweating even at home using NTC application. The NTC applications was used for facilitating the customer's need for doing physical activity. Nike Training Club provides fitness guidance online in the form of video with master trainees based on the customer preferences to make it easier to exercise at home. In a pandemic situation, the NTC application turned into a free app, and it has a positive reaction from customers, which significantly increased 80% of active users in NTC. Another strategy is Nike already developed RFID technology to create inventory visibility. This strategy was suitable for Nike that should reduce their labor due to government policies since RFID only needs a few of labors. With RFID, Nike can serve customers better and increase customer satisfaction. Furthermore, Nike also keeps paying their employees in these pandemic situations. They perceive employees as an asset for connecting the company to its customers. All of this strategy above called as a playbook. And predictably, this strategy also can influence the enthusiast users to buy the new workout equipment and sportswear, which to maintain the demand for fitness equipment. With the strategy that combines with promotional product offering, Nike can boost their digital sales. It can increase revenue significantly by 36%. This is the explanation about how Nike can handle this retail crisis with its Nike Coronavirus Playbook. And last, Nike should do some improvements to run well the business in the future. The first problem that faced by the customer is to try the product since customer cannot have the in-store experience. To relieve this pain, Nike can leverage its digital channels by enhancing augmented reality features on more products since they only provide the shoe fashion currently. Furthermore, the other problem is customers cannot have personal assistants to help their problems or needs. Nike can add virtual assistants on its website and applications to make a more seamless and personalized experience through its existing digital channels. Customers are still able to ask questions to get the suggested solutions. Moreover, one of the key primaries of Nike's strategies was maintaining interactions with customers through its NTC apps. The turning off subscription fees for free NTC apps due to the coronavirus outbreak attracted and reached new customers. To maintain this connection when the condition was returned back to normal, Nike can give beneficial programs to its customers who already used the apps during the pandemic period with a promotional discount in a temporary period of time. In addition, Nike should keep maximizing these digital strategies that were adopted during COVID-19 with paying attention to the internal and external conditions so they can fastly adapt as needed. Therefore, with maximum personalized experience at every stage of the journey, implementation of the loyalty program, and precise adaptation, a company will perform better and increase customer loyalty in the future.